There are several different ways you can customize each title. We could simply click on the inspector, and in here we can change obviously the title itself, some colors. We have the ability to change the colors of different elements in the background, as well as the ability to turn off different things. So I could turn off, let's say, the background. I still have my pluses here. I could turn off the pluses if I didn't want those. In the same way with the lines and the box up here, you can turn that off. The title here doesn't really have much of an animation, so let's go in and actually add an animation for that. So we'll just have this highlighted here. We'll go over to Fusion. Once we're in Fusion, we can click on our title, which is right here, and we see the same menu here. What we're going to do now is go into the actual title itself, and then right here where we have the title written, I'm going to type in something different. And now I want to animate this. So I'm just going to right click, and there's a ton of different ways that you can animate, but I'm just going to do the follower for now. Go up to modifiers, take a look at our follower. I'm going to have the delay 1 frame, and then come over to and change the size. So let's go to where this starts its opening. So I would say right about here. I'm going to click this button to add a keyframe, and then just move up a little bit. Add another keyframe, and then go back to the first keyframe, and I'm going to shrink it down to nothing. So as you see, we have a new animation of all the letters popping up. There's tons of different ways that you can add different animations in here, but this is just one to demo how to add additional animations on top of the title that's already there. Once you're done creating this, you can come back over to the edit page. And now in the edit page, that animation is there. Additionally, we can increase or decrease the length of our title. So no more having to pick a title that is for a specific frame rate, and then we can just stretch this and make this as long as we want. And the title will persist throughout this whole thing. And then at the end, it will do its end animation to then close out the title and come back to what we had underneath the title.